Hey everyone, it's Lisa. Happy Friday. I have some good things to show you, and today for the first time I really have some disappointments, and I thought about either just returning them and not even mentioning it. That's what I was going to do at first. Then I thought, okay, maybe I'll do a disappointing products video because I do have some other things that just random little things that I'm saving for that. And so I watched a few videos on this product, which is, I'll go ahead and tell you, the Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Foundation. And I want to like this. I want to. It's so pretty. I mean, the packaging is just, it's gorgeous. I mean, it's just beautiful. It has a pump. The color, the tone seems to be pretty good. I ordered, I can't remember, seems like it was like 13 or I'm not sure. Yeah, 13, which is light medium. And I have tried this so many different ways now. The first day I got it, I think the first 2 times I wore it, I used foundation brush. I used the BK Beauty foundation brush. And it just didn't, it's one of those that I feel like it's not like going on my skin, not adhering to my skin. And I think I was using the Sisley primer. Then I changed over to the Cover FX gripping primer. And yesterday I used that, and I think I used the brush again. And I thought, okay, this will work. This will be better. It'll grip onto that. And it still was just, it was one of those, I just don't like it from the beginning. It stays extremely tacky. It's like it won't dry down. So I did buy the powder to go with it. I bought the light medium to setting powder. One of the things I'm not crazy about this is it's just you take it off and it's just like wide open. No thing to turn it, and you know, I mean, which I know that's good if you're baking, because then you can put your beauty blender in it. I'm just not really a baker when it comes to like that type of thing, that, you know, application of powder. I much prefer just using a brush. So that was disappointing with this too. So every time I used it, it wouldn't dry down in order for me to go in with my other products. So I had to use this, and then it was like I didn't like it. It didn't have enough coverage on my cheeks. So I was having to go in with other products to get some coverage on my cheeks. Today I even put it on with a beauty blender. Still didn't get enough coverage on my cheeks. You could still see like some just capillaries, redness, and just, you know, unevenness showing through. And so I used my hands and I just put a little bit more on, and I got an okay application. But what ended up saving it is, and probably what you see if you like it, is the Laura Geller, you know, illuminating face powder, the golden medium. That ended up, as soon as I put that on, it was just like, oh, okay, now we can start. So then I had to go in with all my other stuff. So it just seems like when I start out with something that I'm not crazy about, I end up having to use more products. So if you like the foundations that I do, I don't know, it seems like I like foundations that dry down, and I like to layer a little bit and stuff like that, then I don't think you're gonna like this. I could be wrong, but I am gonna return it, especially because Ding Dong Me ordered these before the Sephora sale started. And I know I could probably call and they would probably adjust it for me, but I'm gonna return it anyway. So I'm just not crazy about these 2 products. I ordered this lipstick, and this really isn't disappointing. Alex, HRH Collection, has been wearing this, and it is just a shimmery pink lipstick. The color is, it's a lip fetish lip balm, and this is Nude Astral. And Bridget's getting up. What do you want, Bridget? You need to go outside? And this is pretty. I can't say that it's not pretty, but I much prefer it. There's not a lot to it, and I prefer, if I'm going to go for this look, I like the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, the one, I've got it right here. I think this is it. Oh yeah, Pillow Talk Diamonds. To me, this is better. It just had more of maybe like a little bit of a golden sheen. It just seemed just a little bit more of a wearable. I think the Natasha Denona maybe a little bit more blue. I just really liked the Pillow Talk better. So that was kind of a disappointment. Really not their fault. It's just, you know, preference. And I'm going to go take Bridget out and I'll be right back. I've got one more. So 3 things I just wasn't crazy about. And then this, I was so surprised at this. It's the Olaplex No. 7 Bonding Oil. Boosts shine, strengthens, repairs all hair types, reduces frizz, extends color, heat protection up to 450, shortens drying time. You know, it sounds wonderful. And it may be, but look at the applicator. I mean, that's what with the Monate oil, that's what ruins it for me. I just do not have the patience to, you know, to do that. Oh, I'm waiting on FedEx. I actually ordered an outfit from Reformation that I've been wanting it for so long, and I kept putting it off, and I ordered it and it's supposed to be here today, and I was trying to wait for it to do my video and it just hadn't gotten here. So anyway, this is the oil and this is the way it comes out. And it doesn't just flow out. You have to, you know, keep shaking like little drop by little drop. And that's fine if you're just putting a couple drops in something, or, you know, you just want to put a little bit like in the front of your hair or something. But I'm using this on towel dried hair. And just to give you an idea, the Kerastase, the thick gold one, is my favorite. And I use either 2 to 3 pumps of that on all of my hair. I bend over and put it in a ponytail like in my hands, and I just run it and really, really work it through my hair. So this was just like pointless. And in order for it to coat all of your hair and be a heat protectant and all of these things that it says it's going to do, you would think that there would be an easier way because you would need more of it. So this was kind of disappointing to me too. I don't think that I will use this. So now let's get on to some things that I do love. And before I do that, I do want to show you one thing. I have not tried this yet, but Laura Mercier sent me this really cool, like a travel jewelry case, and inside is their new Tinted Moisturizer Illuminating Natural Skin Perfector with SPF 30, and they sent me Warm Radiance. And then the other one is the Tinted Moisturizer Natural Skin Perfector SPF 30, and this is in Bisque, 3W1 and Warm Radiance. So one of them is going to be more matte, not matte, but one of them's going to be more illuminating. And I haven't tried these because I got this right about the same time, and I was determined I was going to make the Pat McGrath work, and just haven't been able to. So I will be trying this next and letting you know how it goes. So the best thing that I got this week, and that is all of the makeup. I have not gotten anything else, I don't think. I don't think I have. So, because we went to Myrtle Beach for 2 days. If you follow me on Instagram, I posted some of the pictures. Just John, Will, and I went. Brooke had to work and she couldn't get off of work, which was sad. It was the first time, you know, that we had been on like a little family thing without Brooke. And so anyway, but we had a good time. It was kind of sad that she wasn't there, but it was kind of good because it put more focus on Will, and he picked out where we ate, where we went, all that kind of stuff. So anyway, that's probably why I haven't been shopping or anything. But I did get a fabulous package in the mail from Miranda Frye, and you guys know I've been loving her jewelry. I feel like it's very inexpensive for what you get, and it's a good way to kind of get into the more trendy little rings and layering necklaces, layering rings. And so I got some of their new fall collection, and I guess my favorite thing would be this, and I'm trying to figure out, the name was on everything, and I know that the pendant is called Strength, and let me show you. So hopefully you can see the lion and how pretty he is. And then they also sent me the beautiful chain that he is on. And then they sent me this lightning bolt charm, which I am looking forward to putting this on with the J that I have for John. I'm going to put this on to go with that charm. Isn't that pretty? They sent me these earrings, the Audrey earrings, and I thought I would wait to show them to you, and then I'm going to put them on. They are so pretty. These are the type of earrings I like to wear in the winter time too. They're a little bit chunkier, more my typical style, but look at how pretty they are. Gorgeous. So it's like they're polished gold, so they're going to be, I just think of like with a faux fur or something like that, but the fact that they're the links, oh, I love that. Oh, I love how they kind of turn around too. Like if you wear your hair up, wow, those are beautiful. Okay, and this is the Audrey earrings. I love these. So glad I waited to put them on here with you guys. Okay, so let me get all my hair out of the way. Look at how pretty those are. I love the way they there's just something about the movement of earrings make them even better. So love those, love those. If you saw my video yesterday with my favorite powder foundations, I was wearing this, I couldn't wait. And this is called the Catherine ring. And I hope that you can see it. It is so pretty. I just love the shape of it. There's something about rings that are shaped like this that look so pretty and make your fingers look real pretty, and I love wearing this on this hand with my wedding ring. This one, I believe the name is the Andy ring. I will put these down below in case I'm getting the names wrong. I should have left them in their little packages until I showed you, but I took them all out and was trying them all. So I think I'm gonna like this on my middle finger. But I love the ones with the little stones because that adds just a little bit more to your stack. And the last thing is this, which is the Harlow chain. And that's one thing about their jewelry is you get the charms and then you have all these pretty chains with all the pretty textures to put them on. And they just are so sparkly. That was my favorite thing this week, was the new fall collection for Miranda Frye, and I will put the link down below, and I do have a code for a discount for 10% off over $50 in the US. So I think that is it. I'm sorry, I feel like this is going to be a disappointing Friday video, and today I'm wearing a little dress that I got from Forever 21, and it's bright pink, and I thought I would go ahead and wear it before the fall gets here. Just now when I took out Bridget, there's some leaves falling on the steps, and that is like the first sign, is when, because we have so many trees, that you'll start to see the little yellow leaves falling. So it's coming. I'm actually excited. I'm ready for fall. So I'll be right back with my outfit of the day. Okay, so here it is, just a little slip dress that I got from Forever 21. I got lucky and ordered them online, this one and a black one. And I really enjoyed them because with the bottom going out like that, it just gives you a little bit of a different look than my typical. And I am wearing it with one of my favorite purchases of the last year. I think I got them, John bought them for me, I think for our anniversary, but it is the Gucci little gold sandals. I love these. They're comfortable, they go with so many things, and they are definitely, I'm gonna do a favorite luxury purchases, but this would be definitely in there. And then I've already shown you my accessories. I'm just loving these earrings. There's just something about the movement of them, and they're kind of cool. They're really neat. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell, and I will be back real soon, maybe this weekend. See you then. Bye-bye.